Hi, my name is Stacey Kelley and I'm a realtor with Royal LePage Benchmark. And today I'm going to be talking to you about December 2020 and what's happening in the housing market in Calgary. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas break or holiday break and enjoyed some time with family. And I know it wasn't our usual type of holiday, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. So December sales were once again strong, resulting in the highest December that we've had since 2007. Housing demand over the second half of 2020 was far stronger than anticipated and nearly offset the initial impacts that were caused by shutdowns in the spring. Even with the current restrictions imposed in December, we did not see the same negative impact on housing activity that we saw in March and April. Low interest rates, along with relatively low housing prices from previous highs that we saw several years ago, both contributed to the recovery in the second half of 2020. Overall, annual sales activity was down by 1% compared to last year and remained below long-term averages, but the recovery over the last 6 months has been impressive. New listings in December increased by 11% from December of 2019, and the number of sales outpaced the number of new listings in December, contributing to further declines in inventory. Less properties on the market with increased demand have contributed to some of the recent price improvements in the market. However, the benchmark price was relatively flat, with a slight decline of 1% over last year when looking at all product types. The pandemic has resulted in a significant shift in economic conditions, yet the housing market is entering 2021 in a far more balanced condition than what we have seen for the last 5 years. This will help provide some cushion for the market moving into 2021, but conditions will continue to be dependent on the price range that you're looking at, the location, and the type of property. So let's dive into the numbers. So for all product types, including detached homes, semi-detached, row-style housing, apartment condominiums, the City of Calgary in the month of December was 1,199 sales, 1,172 new listings with an average of 59 days on the market. The benchmark price year to date is $417,892. So overall, for total residential sales in Calgary for the year of 2020, we had 16,152 units sold, which is down 1%. And the benchmark price is also down 1% for the year. Looking at the detached market in the month of December, 717 new sales, 600 new listings with an average 53 days on the market, benchmark price of $483,567. For the detached year to date, there were 9,950 sales of single detached homes, which is a 1% increase. And when looking at the benchmark price for the entire year, there's no change. For semi-detached properties, there was 128 new sales, 118 new listings with an average of 61 days on the market. The benchmark price was $387,943. And for the year, sales were 1,663 units, which is a zero change from 2019, and the benchmark price was down 1%. Looking at row style homes, there were sales of 169 units, New listings were 166, with average days on the market 67, and a benchmark price of $278,633. Looking at the entire year, there were 2,145 sales, which was an increase of 2% from 2019. However, the benchmark price was down 2% from 2019. Moving on to apartment style condominiums, there was 185 new sales, 288 new listings. Average days on the market was 73, with a benchmark price of $244,692. And looking at the entire year, there were 2,394 sales, which is down 10% from 2019. And the benchmark price for the entire year is down 2%. So that's it for December of 2020. We look forward to 2021. I will be doing another video towards the end of January here, talking about 2021 predictions. So until then, I hope you stay healthy and safe, and we'll see you again. And as always, if you need any help with your real estate decision making or would like a market valuation on your property, feel free to call, email, or text. All right. Thanks.